Hello friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. If you love crispy snacks but want to keep it light and healthy, then this recipe is for you, as today we are making super crispy garlic okra in the air fryer. No deep frying, no mess, just pure crunch with bold garlicky flavor. And friends, if you've ever struggled with soggy bhindi, then this recipe is going to change the game. So friends, let's get started with this quick guilt-free recipe that's perfect as a snack or as a side dish. So first we need to wash the okras or bhindi well and then pat them dry so that there is no moisture left in them. And now we need to cut the head, and I'm going to slice them diagonally in this way. So you can see I have sliced them slightly thin so that they turn crisp quickly, and in the same way I will slice the remaining okras also. Let's transfer this to a bowl. So for this recipe I'm using around 300 grams of bhindi or okra. Next we will grease the air fryer basket with some vegetable oil so that the okra doesn't stick to it, as it tends to be slimy when getting cooked. Into it goes the sliced okra. And now let's add some seasonings to it. Here goes half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can add the seasonings as per the quantity of bhindi you are making. Next goes a teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt as per taste, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Then this is besan or chickpea flour, adding 1 tablespoon of it, and 2 tablespoons of rice flour, which is going to make our okra crispy. And finally into this goes 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, which is slightly hot. You can add oil as per the quantity of okra or bhindi you are making. Now let's mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. At this stage, I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of oil, as the quantity of okra is slightly more, and the oil is going to coat all the seasonings and the flour well with the okra or bhindi, which will give us crispy okra in the air fryer. And now let's put the basket into the air fryer, and I'm going to air fry them at 180 degrees Celsius first for 12 minutes. After about 6 minutes, we will open the basket, and with the help of a spoon, we'll stir the okra well to ensure even cooking. We'll close the lid and cook the okra at the time and temperature set earlier. In the meantime, we'll do one more preparation. So here in this bowl, I have taken some veggies like onions cut into juliennes. We'll separate the layers. Then here are red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into thin long strips. And now I'm going to add some more ingredients into it. Here goes around 1.5 tablespoon of chopped garlic, as you're making garlic okra. Then goes half teaspoon of chili flakes as well as half teaspoon of red chili powder. Also goes into this a teaspoon of white vinegar. And finally I'm adding here around 1.5 teaspoon of hot vegetable oil. Let's mix this well. And this is going to give an oriental twist to our garlic okra recipe, and we need to add them later when the okra is almost 80 to 90% done. So this is also ready. Now coming back to our okra getting cooked in the air fryer, and after 12 minutes the okra or bhindis are well cooked and they have turned crisp as well. And now at this stage we'll add the garlic, onion, bell peppers tossed in our lovely oriental seasonings. Let's mix them well once with the okra. And now again we will air fry them, this time at 200 degrees Celsius for just 2 minutes, as the okras are already well cooked and we don't want to overcook the onions and the bell peppers. And by now our garlic okra is ready. So we'll take the basket out. And there you have it. Perfectly crispy, flavorful garlic okra made effortlessly in the air fryer. It's crunchy, delicious, and so much healthier than the fried version. So friends, give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this crispy garlic oriental style okra recipe, then don't forget to hit the like button and follow my channel for more easy air fry recipes. Also share this recipe with someone who loves okra or bhindi as much as you do. Well, thanks for watching and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.